behind me are some drawings that are a representation of what could be a reimagined Wall Street. But what we know, what we want, is pretty clear, and it's one that is pedestrian friendly, bike friendly, really business friendly, and with a huge pedestrian component. When we look at our data, we see that car data, our car travel in this area is one of the highest amongst the city for people driving a mile or less to their destination. So what we really know is that this could be a really huge walkable community, and that's what we really are looking forward to developing here. Phase one that we are looking to get done is all the work on Belden, right? This intersection, Burnell Boulevard, and this is going to go all the way down to the lots of application project that Anthony was talking about with you earlier. We think it's really important that in phase one, Burnell Boulevard returns to two-way operation, because returning that to two-way operation will ease up our ability to do construction on this street, allowing the contractor to work more efficiently, right? So the costs are down to allow us to continue to do more. But we're also looking at phase two on investments into Wall Street and over the bridge on Burnell. And then when we look at phase three, it's really what's happening on Isaac Street and Commerce Street and its connection into that. We think they're really viable parts of the project. We have already written one grant application for $3.8 million to start the project, right? And the city is going to be contribute some of the ARPA funds for us to use as a match to secure that grant. But we've also written a $13 million grant to FEMA to actually do the whole entire project at once, right? So we're going to continue to look at those investments and how we can make it happen. But I can tell you that Transportation, Mobility, and Parking is committed to making sure that this project starts construction as soon as we're done with the design, right? We're not going to talk about investments to Wall Street. We're going to show you investments to Wall Street, right? And then lastly, when we talk about that intersection, this is one of the renderings of what it could be, right? So a normalized intersection, parallel on-street parking, opportunities for green space or opportunities for a plaza. Those will all come out in the community engagement process, but it's really a normalized intersection that allows someone to cross all legs of the intersection. Mobility is really important as we move forward.